Welcome guys, welcome back to another commentary, but this time it will be someone's commentary on Rant where I read it on Elinor Wonders Why. Yep, a commentary. You heard me. And it's gonna suck just because he bashes my opinion on this user on the show. He's going to say 8 out of 10. Well, it's not. More like 0 out of 10. So anyways, grab your popcorn, grab your soda, grab your chicken nuggets, grab your KFC bucket chicken, grab your candy, and sit back and relax and enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, OMIGavin4Life's here, and welcome back to another commentary. And this commentary will be on the Archer Animation's rant on Elinor Wonders Why.
Yep, I ran it on that show because it's so terrible.
And note, I'm using Phineas from Phineas and Ferb for this commentary.
You know, I'm neutral to Phineas and Ferb because I'm neutral to that show because it's Phineas and Ferb and Candace. But I hate Candace because he fools Phineas and Ferb around. So that's why I neutral that show in a burning passion.
Now, this rant, I have to say, is going to suck.
Nope, it's not.
Why? Because he actually said something in the rant that made me furious. And oh my god, even worse, this is actually a Beyond style rant, right?
Are you fool? Are you a fool or something? It's not a stupid rant style, go anime style rant. I didn't use go anime or Beyond, or wrap it offline. Wrap it offline. Dumbhead.
Anyways, let's start the commentary.
Elinor wonders why? No, more like pre-ethnic stupidities. Shit.
Was that the best insult you can ever make?
Yes, I made that mock name because I don't like that show. It's Elinor the Bunny because of the Elinor the Bunny.
And not only that, that mock name was so dumb.
Like I said, it's opinion bashing.
Oh my god, this show sucks.
Correction, this show rocks.
Well, like, this show is so terrible. Oh my gosh. I ran in that show because it's garbage. You know what? Because I'm neutral to stuck in the middle. Just because I don't like the little Einsteins. Because I hate the little Einsteins.
Oh, and also, if you want to look on IMDb, you can see that the show did quite well on IMDb. 8 out of 10.
It's not 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10? No, more like 0 out of 10. This rating is stuck.
So yeah, a lot of people liked it.
Some people do, but everyone doesn't like it. Some people don't like it. That's why.
I'll tell you why I hate this show.
Okay, well, tell me then.
Dude, my reasons are invalid. You dumb. My reasons are valid.
1. It's a rip-off to Little Einsteins, which is bad enough.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
I agree with you with all Einsteins, but both little Einsteins and Elinor Wonders Why have nothing alike, and they never will.
Oh, shit!
So yeah, that's a false rip-off claim.
It is a rip-off claim. You dumb.
It's like saying that Clarence ripped off Sandra and Craig, even when it's not true.
Which is true. It is it's a false rip-off claim.
2. The characters are stupid.
How are they stupid?
Because of the elephant, I don't know what his name, the stupid bat, and Elinor the bunny looks so ugly. Ugh. Ugh. So I do not like the show neither.
They're just finding out answers.
3. The directors, producers, theme songs. The writers are not professionals.
Oh, okay, then how come it got an 8 out of 10 on IMDb? That means
Stupid cartoon supporter.
it got an 8 out of 10 on IMDb, like I shown you earlier, which means that the show rocks.
I hope this...
Like I told you, it's a 0 out of 10. Just like I said earlier.
show gets cancelled soon. I hope this show gets cancelled soon. I hope this show gets cancelled soon.
What you just said was heartless. What is wrong with you?
Do you know who likes...
No, what is wrong with you? You should have asked my opinion on Elinor's Wonders Why or what?
likes this show? Rachel Persley. Well, she sucks for doing that.
So you bash her opinion on Elinor Wonders Why. What a shame, Dee. What a shame.
And this...
Look guys, I'm sorry for taking Rachel Persley so seriously, Charlie's Media Shack too seriously. I know Rachel Persley is, I'm sorry for taking it way too seriously. Yeah, I like him, so, but you still suck.
Do you know who hates this show? Me and Gabriel the Flash Fan's second channel. We hate this show in a burning passion.
I can handle your opinion on Elinor Wonders Why, but this rant is still horrible.
So screw Elinor Wonders Why. So does.
If you like the show, I respect your opinion. I respect your opinion, but you still suck.
Little Einsteins.
I agree with you on Little Einstein, but you still suck.
No, I don't.
Christmas is 1,000,000 times better than Elinor Wonders Why.
I agree with you on Christmas, but you still suck.
How dare you call my channel stupid? That's it. I'm gonna make a ground video out of you. I'm gonna make a roasted video out of you. Like TZ Vids.
Man, that rant sucked. Why? Because he hoped that the show would get canceled, because he should know that hoping that a show that you hate getting canceled is just wrong.
What did you just say again?
That hoping that a show that you hate getting canceled is just wrong.
Hoping the show that I hate get canceled is very wrong. Good job.
Anyway, this is OMIGavin4Life signing out.
Man, it ended. It's so terrible. Thank God it's over. She should know that bashing opinions, that opinion disrespecting is bad. So anyways, guys, like, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, which is the bell right next to the next button. I'll see you in the next video. And share. Bye. Good luck and have a fun time and good luck.